Hey guys, welcome to my channel JD Mentor. Today's video is going to be a tutorial. The last video was a tutorial on how you can whiten your teeth using Photoshop, and today's video is going to be a specific tutorial on photo manipulation. Basically, photo manipulation is um, a type of photo editing in which you take multiple photos and convert them into a single photo. Here I have taken all the photos which are going to be required in this photo manipulation. If you want to download and follow along, so click the link in the description and follow along. So let's get started. First I took a image and copied it by using Ctrl or Command I. This image is going to be my background for this photo manipulation. So you can follow along by downloading this image also from the link in the description. I copied it, then I went to filter, blur, motion blur, added 20 pixels of motion blur to this layer. Now you can see the layer has been blurred. Then I added solid color adjustment layer. I have tried out very different colors, but the color which worked the best is, note down the hashtag 1 B 2 C 3 8. This is the best color which worked out. Now I'm going to lower its opacity to about 35ish%. Here you can see it adds a very great filter in front of the image. Then I'm going to import the hand picture into it. I have already marked the hand out so that it doesn't take a long time while making this picture. Okay. Now I will use a curves adjustment layer to brighten and darken the hand a bit, so that when I add the burning rose on top of it, I will not have to do much work. Click on curves adjustment layer. Now I will only limit this curves adjustment layer to the hand. So to make a clipping mask, hold Ctrl Alt or Option and click in the line between the hand and the curves adjustment layer. Clipping marks will be made, and now just decrease the lightness. Now I have decreased it. Now I will click on the mask, take black and white color as my foreground and background color, take a soft round brush, make it a little smaller by clicking Alt or Option, right mouse button, dragging it right side, left side to make it small, dragging it right side to make it big, up to make it softer, down to make it harder. I need a soft round brush and it must be very small, so I will make it small. Now I will zoom in the picture by using Ctrl or Command and the plus key. Now I will only paint on the areas which I need to brighten up. Just understand the concept of mask, that white shows and the black hides. White shows, black conceals. This is it. Finish. Like this. Now I will add another curves adjustment layer to just brighten everything up. Curves adjustment layer. I will again limit this to the hand by using Alt or Option, clicking in the line between the layers and then just making this, and now I will just increase the brightness. Finish. Simple. And now I will invert the marks by using Ctrl or Command I. The marks has been inverted. Now I will use white color just to paint on the fingertips. I am doing here just for demonstration purposes, very fastly. You must do this process very slowly and accurately. Simple as that. Now I will zoom it out. Now you can see it's so much a bit too concentrated over here. So I will switch the color back again and just remove it out over here and over here in here too. Now it's perfect. Let me see. Yeah, now it's perfect. Now I will add the whole image. Where is it? I will add this crack to that image over here. I will make it smaller by using Control or Command T. I will just zoom in a bit to see. Now I will right click and hit distort, and now adjust it to my liking. This is perfect. Now I will change its blend mode to multiply. Perfect. Till here it's done. Now I will add a vibrance adjustment layer. Just increase the vibrance, saturation, and only limit it to the crack by using Alt option and clicking in the line between here. Simple. It doesn't do just very much, it just adds some glow and etc. Now I will take the rose picture which I have which is a pink picture. I have already made it this way. Where did it end? Now I will have to oh, rose. I will take it. Where is the rose? And I will just paste it over here on this layer. I will make it smaller by using Control or Command T. This is perfect. And now I will make a mask out of it. I will click over here, make mask, make layer mask, and using the soft round brush, I will make it just a bit bigger. This is fine. Using the black color, because the concept of mask is black hides and white shows, and just remove it very carefully down. You must remove it like this so that it seems that the rose is coming out of the hand, like here how I am doing it. See, it looks like that the rose is coming out of the hand. Now I'll make another curves adjustment layer and limit this to the rose and darken it up, darken the rose just a tad bit. Yeah, this is fine. Perfect. Now I'll add the fire image, this fire image on top of the rose. I will transform it by using Control or Command T and change its blend mode from normal to screen. The screen blend mode is a very special blend mode. In this blend mode, only the things which are dark, light shows up, and all the dark things like the black background just vanished. Here is fine. I will adjust it by this is fine. Now I'll make a layer mask. Where is it? I'll make a layer mask. Use black and just remove. I'll just bring down the flow a bit to about 35%, 30%, 27%, and just remove things over here like this. Simple. Ah, this is perfect. I'll bring this just a little bit down. Ah, this is perfect. Now I will add this image on top of it. Change its blend mode again into screen. Transform it by using Control or Command T. I will zoom in just little bit. Perfect. Now I will again make a mask of this layer, and using black color remove all the extra areas like this. The areas which I don't want. This is a really fun photo manipulation. I just love it. This is perfect. Now I will create a new layer and just bring it down the rose layer over here. Now I will go back to this layer and using the select tool, picker tool, color picker. Color picker tool, I will just click on this orange color. This is fine. And just increase my brush size and just dab once. Perfect. Now I will choose a darker color. This is fine. And again on that same layer, make it a bit smaller and dab it. See how this layer adds a glow behind the rose. Now using the same color, go back to the, make a new layer above layer 3, above the hand, and just start painting in the hand, just like this, to just show that this here I have painted some extras, so I will use the eraser just to remove it a bit, decrease its flow. Over here I will decrease the flow a bit more, opacity also. I will just delete this layer and make a new layer, else it's going to take a lot much more time, and just paint very carefully. Last time I wasn't careful, you just see what happened. I will make the brush a bit much more smaller and just paint really very carefully around this. Perfect, like this, so that it adds a glow to your hand. Now I will make it a bit darker. Yeah, this color is fine. And go over it once again. Just to seriously pop things out. Here you go, your photo manipulation is complete. Now I will group all of this in one group, G, and just move it a bit down. Perfect. I will group this also into one group. It won't be able to group because the background layer is locked. Now I will be able to group it and group it, name it background B. Background and name this the subject. Just to arrange it a bit, you can also rename these layers, rename it to hand, whole, rows, and all those stuff. Now you can see from this to this. It was so easy. So till next time, Hafiz, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also click that subscribe button and also click the bell icon so you never miss any upload from me. Till next time, bye.